Hey viewers, in this video I will talk to you about the upcoming Redmi Note 9 in India. So make sure to watch this video to the end to get the complete details. So let's start from the basic. After the Redmi 9 Pro and Pro Max, India is about to receive a third Redmi Note 9 model as teased by the company. The Redmi Note 9 is built around a 6.53-inch IPS display with Full HD Plus resolution and a punch hole cutout in the top left corner with 13-megapixel camera support. The back houses a quad camera setup with a 48-megapixel primary shooter alongside a 8-megapixel ultra-wide module and has 2-megapixel two shooters, one for micro and other one for depth sensing. The phone is powered by Helio G85 chipset and will come in two variants. It has a 5020 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. It also comes with Android 10 out of the box. It also brings IR Blaster, headphone jack and NFC. The phone is expected to sell via Amazon and as well as Xiaomi official web store, and the base version will likely to be retail at 15,000 rupees. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. So I am Sunny and you are watching the Basic YouTuber. So let's meet in the next video.